to our respected school division supervisor, Dr. Visima M. Abria, our amazing supportive principal, Ma'am Teresa L. Mercado, our wonderful teachers, proud parents, dear classmates, distinguished guests, visitors, a warm and cheerful welcome to each of you. I am Zibiana Tanya Ravelo, a proud kindergarten pupil of Malayan Elementary School. On behalf of the kindergarten class of 2025, I am happy to welcome you all to our moving up ceremony. Today is very specially for all of us. It is a day to celebrate our hard work, fun learning, and happy memories in kindergarten. Soon, we will walk across the stage one by one to receive our awards
And
certificates. We are excited!
tako nga ba?
We are excited
And proud
to celebrate
to celebrate this special.
Wala
na ka, ha?
special moment in our young lives.
I know.
This is just the first of the moving up ceremonies I will have.
Tako nga. But
I am not worried
because
my classmates.
because I know.
Because I know of me moving up.
Tako nga. Because I know I am getting a great education
Because I know I'm getting a great education
from
our wonderful teachers at Manlayan Elementary School.
To my
you come
classmates.
To my classmates
and
proud parents,
fellow
fellow completers.
I
I
wala